Hi there from NAMPO. Um, we are here at Med Automation with John van Niekerk from Med Automation. John, tell us a little bit about who is Med Automation and what do you guys do?
Okay, we're a manufacturing company out of Paul. We specialize in the fruit industry, where we can do greenfield projects and everything in between. So we can actually build a structure from the ground up. We've got a manager that handles the greenfield operation side of business, and then we've got the manufacturing side, where we grind, cut, powder coat, everything that is needed to build MED's machinery. We've partnered with Griefa from the Netherlands for the sizes, for optical sizing and grading of fruit, and we've just signed Bordeaux as a new venture for MED. Those are the precision planters and cultivating machinery, and we do just about everything.
Okay.
MED like Gerard always says, the MD of MED says MED stand for maak enige ding. So
That's wonderful.
Make anything possible, anything that is possible to do, we will do it.
Okay, so we've seen some of the work we've done. We've seen some of your incredible packhouse machinery with the sizes and also the machinery that brings the fruit in. So you guys do that.
Okay, Jan. A lot of people will know what this kind of stuff is, but for the people that don't know, just quickly tell us what you've got here.
Okay, this is a semi-automatic box filling unit. You get the boxes packed by hand or by full automatic machine. Gerard has decided to go the route between those two different ones. We wanted something that you can automate, but not totally. So the operator here has got full control over the fruit that comes through here. It's not a machine that you have to take apart like a full automatic unit. You'll have to take apart to get to a fork with fruit on the inside. This unit, the operator has full control of it, and I'll show you it quickly. This is designed for your peak counts in citrus packhouses. We do the count 72 and 64s mainly on this, but it can also handle all the other counts. So the machine can be specifically designed to handle all the other counts as well.
Okay. Is this particularly just for citrus or apples, stone fruit?
At this stage, just for the citrus. We are in the process of developing a system whereby we will be able to accommodate the other fruits as well. At this stage, oranges and lemons. The rounded type of fruit will roll easily on this unit, and that is what we're concentrating at.
Okay. And sorry, soft citrus could the machine damage it? Now that you say that.
No. The soft citrus, the pickup head is so gentle with the fruit that it will not damage soft citrus. The problem comes in that the soft citrus is mainly a flatter fruit that doesn't roll as easily into this unit. So the infeed of this design will differ with soft citrus and with some of the other citruses as well, the lemons, the more elongated lemons and that kind of fruit. Yes, we will be able to use it on apples and pears as well, if we can manipulate the fruit in such a way on the infeed that we are able to pick it up with this head. We will be able to pack those as well. So the machine is fruit friendly.
Fantastic. Just quickly show us where what happens.
Very quickly, this is from your sizer, you will feed directly onto the table. This is fruit that has been sorted and sized to count 72 or 64 or 88 or whatever you need to come in here. It will roll onto the table. When we switch it on, these rollers will take the fruit in to be elevated down onto those selectors. The selectors opens up for the fruit to roll, and once we have to pack them or the head goes in, those closes up and keeps the fruit in place so that we can do the different patterns. You've got an A and a B pattern, so we can select. The machine selects it automatically. It starts with the A and then alternates to the B and back to A, B, A, B.
That's for the different layers in the boxes.
Correct. Yeah. The layers differ in the box, and every second layer is again A or a B.
Okay, now for those that don't know pack houses, so this would be, you'll have your sizer, it will come off onto the belts, and then it will come straight to this. So you'll effectively take out the 3 or 4 women individually packing boxes along that line.
Yeah, well, that's the idea, that the machine does the work of those 3 people. We can actually pack 90 boxes an hour with one of these machines. Where an ordinary packer by hand can average 25 an hour. So you can see the vast difference in the packing capability of this machine towards against a normal packer.
Okay. And on the other side with the suction cups, let's just see that.
Do not worry too much about this. This will be an automated box feeder unit. This was only designed for demonstration purposes. We'll fit a box in here, and then we've got this head. It's a zero gravity head. This is the design. That's why it's patented. All right, we've patented this design because it's not available anywhere else. So the operator here has actually got a button here that he can send this unit down towards the fruit, pick up the fruit and come back and release it into the box. And that's all the effort that the operator has. The cylinder...
So no stress on the actual picker lifting everything?
Nothing whatsoever, and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't need to walk anywhere, and that takes up most of your time in a pack shed.
So people with disabilities can also do this?
Absolutely. If he can reach up here and he can just manage this, he can do it. So yeah, for sure.
Very interesting. Very cool. What's the other thing?
That's a loom bag filler. The loom bag filler, you'll see the design is such that we are able to put the lemons, or the oranges. These are third grade oranges that usually would go to
Local market.
And juice, juice. Actually, it's juice fruit. We add value by putting it into the bags at a rate of 170 bags an hour with 3 to 4 operators, depending on the speed of the fruit from the sizer. Again, your sizer will send a certain count, or the average that comes through the most, it'll send it here, and we will be able to bag this. And it actually just works this way. You tip it over and take off the bag, and you'll see the form is already there. It has to be filled up to the top, so we actually count the fruit that we put in here. So we will put 28 fruit of these sizes, 72 count. There will be 28 in the bag. It differs. The bigger ones will be 26, and the smaller ones will go up to 30.
Is there a certain weight per bag?
Yeah. We try to keep to 6.2 kilograms per bag, so that you allow for a bit of drying of the fruit whilst it's lying on the market floor.
Oh, fantastic. Very, very interesting.
Yep. All right. Yeah, sure.